Alright, well, here we are. Get past my light. Hopefully that focuses in. We got air shocks in there. There's one there. And here's our other one here. I put new hardware in the top. That's a little close. We got everything mounted. Run the air lines kind of up under the tank. And we got a little piggly wiggly tail hanging back here, which is fine. I let that off of there and gonna hook it up. And it goes right there eventually, but I didn't want to hook it up just yet because we're gonna get her down off the jack stands and put a little air into it and see where it rides. And I left that down there because I'll probably have to check all the fittings with a spray bottle of soapy water, which I do not have at the moment. I got to run in town and get my truck later, so I'll probably grab one. But I'm going to just feel confident that all the fittings don't leak anyway. Well, I got to think positive anyway. We'll get her down off the jack stands and see if she'll hold a little air, and I will be back. Alright, well, we're back. I was going to show you the stance of the car with the air shocks and everything. That's not going to happen today. I dropped the car, put some air in there, and these springs just are not going to work. I said at the beginning of this I probably have to change them. I should have just known better when I saw them. Anyway, air shocks are done. They work, but I'm not going to pump them up to 100 pounds and make the rear end stiff and riding on the shocks. So ordered new springs. We'll see the stance of the car at a later date. These are way wrong. There is a part number on there. You can see on there and a name, and I decided to look them up just for giggles. And they are for a Chevelle, but they're designed for a 2-inch drop. That's what the springs are. Why anybody would want to lower a Chevelle, I have no idea. However, somebody was attempting to do that. Kind of curious now to see what I get into the front when I get up there. So for now, I'm going to drop this spring back in just so I can move the car around. And we'll show you the stance at a later date. But that was the air shock install. Alright, so we'll put that back in, and then we're going to move on to something else. See you later.